Alright, welcome to the series where I'm judging all of my old artwork and old videos, basically giving them a 1 to 5 rating, 5 being the greatest and 1 being mediocre. We are looking at composition, lighting, materials, performance and cinematics. Alright, so this particular one is a house build, or at least a garden, so we'll get right into this one. I don't know if this one has any audio. But primarily, sorry if there's a lot of flashing on here. We are building the exterior to a house. I really don't rate that tree. That tree's a 1 out of 5, I would say, for what it is. It's very thin. If we come over here, maybe... Yeah, the tree's a little bit better now. But I wouldn't rate these leaves. They seem to be floating a little bit. Honestly, I've done like 27 of these videos today. Like, I remember the last one, I think. Maybe last 3? I want to do up to 31 at least. This is 28. Oh, goodness me. I need a break after this. I like those lights. Those are nice lights. Composition-wise, we've got this nice little sand look around the edge of the pool. The pool's looking pretty sweet. The walls have texture to them. And then we've got these nice little trees going on in the background. Let's see what happens if we just scroll forward a little bit. By the way, if you want to watch this full video, it is available. Link in the description. So we have this nice little pool coming on. We've got these nice little trees. And then we have this tree in front of everything right here. Yeah, I personally would say this is probably like a 3 out of 5, something like that, primarily because it just kind of looks a little bit cartoony and a little bit offset. I do like the fact that there's this kind of depth of field in here as well. That's kind of nice, but I would definitely change some things about this. So yeah, I'm going to go with 3.5 out of 5 for this one.